going on, everyone? What's going on, everyone? Today we are at Robert's Track and Trail. We got Derek on his YC250 and me on my Twin TM250. This is a track that I do not come to very often. I haven't been here since around this time last year, and it is one of my favorite tracks because I just wish it wasn't 3 hours away from me, but sometimes you just gotta make the drive. Oh, I forgot to stretch. I forgot to stretch, dude. Never forget to stretch, man. I usually am really good about stretching. So when I crash, my body's not all stiff and I don't get hurt. Also, thanks, Derek, for letting me use your gloves. Oh, damn, that's a big jump. Oh! I should not have hit that, bro. I just followed him. I saw how much air he got. I was like, okay, I guess I gotta go at it kind of fast now. He did tell me they made it bigger, and I didn't think it was that big, though. Damn, that actually kind of hurt, bro. This one's probably the same. Yep. Easy. Wow, dude, the track's in good shape today. Sand and dirt. Wow. Oh, that one's easy to overshoot. It's so fun, dude. I love this track so much. I'm letting that guy go. Oh, that guy's fast as hell. Look at that immaculate body position. On this one, you could just kind of like do a little scrub like that. Pretty fun. All right, that was a solid warm-up. I wouldn't even call it a warm-up. I didn't warm up. I just did everything. It's pretty stupid, but it's all good, I guess. Woo! Nice. Okay. Oh no, what happened? Did someone go in the water? Oh no! No! He pulled a U! Bro went for a swim. God. Oh, I love this berm right here. Woo! Dude, Derek is so cracked at this track. Woo! Oh. Oh, dude, he threw a fat one. Woo! You can have like garbage body position and still go fast at this track. You can go fast and scrub these jumps, or you can go slow and clear them. Just to give y'all an idea how big that jump is. Pretty damn big, bro. Woo! My whips are like hella stiff today. That one you actually need a handful of throttle, surprisingly. Woo! Woo! Alright, nice KX. He's got the new 250. Woo! Oh, I almost cased that shit, bro. Whoa. I was sitting down over those braking bumps. Never smart. Oh, dude. Dude, he's getting pretty damn cracked at whips, too. Oh! God. Some goon shit if I've ever seen it. Over jump, then case. That's a deadly goon combo right there. That dust is delicious, bro. Can't wait to sprinkle some of it on my sandwich later today. Dude, I don't feel safe whipping anymore, dude. I don't know what my deal is. Don't hit the brake. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ride this track. I'm not gonna touch my brake anymore. No brake, no brake. I got this. Oh, that's so scary, bro. But it works. Okay. No brake, no brake. Oh no. Ooh, don't touch it. Oh. The problem is when I clear jumps, I get so much momentum. This is so much slower, but like, hey, I have better control, you know? If I had a 4-stroke, this challenge would be really easy. There we go, no brakes. I haven't touched my brakes since that one turn after the big downhill double. So I'm doing good. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready for whips, to be honest. I've done them before, but like, I probably really shouldn't be doing them. Maybe after like another year or so. Don't touch that brake, Udi, come on! Oh! We got a whole squad of riders behind me. Oh! Whoa! Shit. Let's get that two-stroke ripping, baby! Nice. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, that's so sick, dude. Oh! Yeah, buddy. My body is so stiff today, man. I am running on like 4 hours of sleep, so that's probably not good. Woo! Ow! Go around, go around. Yeah! Woo! Damn, bro, he sent that shit so hard. Oh, holy fuck. Yeah! He sent that shit all the way to flat. I know, man.
Like, I feel like I'm just giving myself lung cancer.
I know, I feel like Walter White right now.
Your nose is so covered in all I can see is this little brown covered nose.
Woo! Hell yeah. Oh, what happened now? Oh, for fuck's sake. How many people are gonna be claimed by this jump? How many people are gonna be claimed by this jump, bro?
You can't keep getting away with it! He can't keep getting away with it! He won't.
Woo! So flow, you don't touch the brake. Kind of bumpy over there. As long as you stand up through it, you're good. Never compete with the guy at their home track, bro. You're not winning that battle. Woo! Oh, dude, that was a good one. Hell yeah, dude. Woo! So flowy, dude. Look. Any of my friends who aren't comfortable jumping, this track is it. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Wasn't paying attention. I have a lot of like straight line speed. But then as soon as I turn, I just brake and I ruin all my momentum, I ruin my flow. I gave myself arm pump. It's like such a waste. I'm like a bullet, dude. I only go straight. Hit big jumps, I go straight. That's easy. It's the flow. Gotta stop OJing this one, man. Woo! Oh, close the distance. Whoa, so he's riding so close to someone. Ow. And then that happens. Gotta show off for the crowd, you know? Give him a little fender clicker. Oh. Gripping the bike when you turn with your legs actually works quite nicely. I'm gonna have to try that again. Here we go, let's try it again. Grip the bike good. Oh! I like that. Grip tight. Nice! I really like that. I should have been doing this a long time ago, bro. Grip with your legs real tight. Commit. Alright, I'll pass you. That kid has more self-awareness than me. Oh, that works so good. You alright, Derek? Why didn't anyone tell me I had to squeeze with my legs? All the people in the comments that have been giving me advice for years are probably like boiling right now. Alright everyone, I think that's a wrap for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you should come out to this track, it's really cool. Really flowy, really fun. On a day where, you know, maybe a little more rain comes, it wouldn't be as dusty, but even dusty, it's like still really fun. It's always a flowy track no matter what. So yeah, every track I've been to lately is dry, so it's just what comes with summer. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.